Holy crap. I hope they don't attack me. Mama. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We're gonna attack by huge crows. Oh my gosh, they're all the way over down there. Oh my gosh, we're scaring them off.
I know we are, just hope they don't poop on our heads.
That's why I'm standing under the awning. They're going over to Jan's yard.
Yeah, but there's still a lot over here. Whoa, look at over there. Look. Mom, look.
Attack of the killer birds. Caitlin, shut up.
Mama.
Whoa.
Ah!
Whoa. Oh my gosh.
I must have scared them.
This is creepy.
Some go one way, the others go the other way.
They're going with the wind.